What is the first step of cleaning and sanitizing stationary equipment? A. Spray the surface with cleanser. B. Wash the equipment surface using hot water. C. Take off removable parts. D. Unplug the unit. The correct answer is D. Unplug the unit. Which food may be reserved to customers? A. Unused, uncovered condiments. B. Unopened, prepackaged food. C. Uneaten bread. D. Unused whole fruit garnish. The correct answer is B. Unopened, prepackaged food. What temperature must a high-temperature dishwasher's final sanitizing rinse be? A. At least 180 F, 82 C. B. At least 170 F, 76 C. C. At least 160 F, 71 C. C. At least 150 F, 65 C. The correct answer is A. At least 180 F, 82 C. Hot TCS food can be held without temperature control for a maximum of A. 8, B. 4, C. 2, D. 6. The correct answer is B. 4. What should a food service operator do when responding to a foodborne illness outbreak? A. Ask customers for proof of their symptoms. B. Segregate the product. C. Notify the media. D. Close the operation for the day. The correct answer is B. Segregate the product. What must a food handler with a hand wound do to safely work with food? A. Bandage the wound and avoid contact with food for the rest of the shift. B. Bandage the wound with an impermeable cover and wear a single-use glove. C. Apply iodine solution and a permeable bandage. D. Wash the wound and wear a single-use glove. The correct answer is B. Bandage the wound with an impermeable cover and wear a single-use glove. Single-use gloves are not required when A. Cleaning stationary equipment. B. The food handler has a latex sensitivity. C. Handling cooked food. D. Washing produce. The correct answer is D. Washing produce. What is the minimum water temperature required when using hot water to sanitize objects? A. 173 degrés Fahrenheit, 78 degrés Celsius. B. 179 degrés Fahrenheit, 81 degrés Celsius. C. 171 degrés Fahrenheit, 77 degrés Celsius. D. 176 degrés Fahrenheit, 80 degrés Celsius. The correct answer is C. 171 degrés Fahrenheit, 77 degrés Celsius. What organization requires a safety data sheet, SDS, to be included with hazardous chemicals? A. Environmental Protection Agency. B. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. C. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. D. National Restaurant Association. The correct answer is C. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. A local nursing home has a yearly barbecue for its residents. Which food item should not be served? A. Raw carrots. B. Rare hamburgers. C. Potato salad. D. Coleslaw. The correct answer is B. Rare hamburgers. Which group of individuals has a higher risk of foodborne illness? A. Elderly people. B. Women. C. Teenagers. D. Vegetarians. The correct answer is A. Elderly people. What food item does the Food and Drug Administration advise against offering on a children's menu? A. Fried shrimp. B. Egg salad. C. Rare cheeseburgers. D. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. The correct answer is C. Rare cheeseburgers. Which item is a potential physical contaminant? A. Sweat. B. Jewelry. C. Sanitizer. D. Hand sanitizer. The correct answer is B. Jewelry. Food held at 41F, 5C, or lower before being removed from refrigeration can be held without temperature control for up to how many hours? A. 4. B. 2. C. 8. D. 6. The correct answer is D. 6. When must a food handler change gloves? A. After 1 hour of constant use. B. At the end of the shift. C. Every 6 hours. D. Every 3 hours. The correct answer is B. At the end of the shift. What food safety practice can prevent cross-contact? A. Using only food-grade equipment. B. Purchasing food from approved, reputable suppliers. C. Washing, rinsing, and sanitizing utensils before each use. D. Keeping food frozen until use. The correct answer is C. Washing, rinsing, and sanitizing utensils before each use.